Depicter has just rolled out a major update packed with exciting new features. Today I'm diving into one of the highlights, the layer panel. This little icon is the new game changer. Just click on it and the layer panel will open. You can click and hold it to move it around. When you select an element from the layer panel, it will also be highlighted on the canvas. Similarly, if you select something on the canvas, it will be highlighted in the layer panel. When you click on a shape or any other element, you'd be able to change and edit whatever you want about it. For example, its arrangement. I brought this shape forward and it's covering everything. As you can see, it moved to the top, which means it's on the front. Now, to move it to the back, you can drag it down under the other two elements. See this group and the elements inside? One of these elements is another group, which has its own sets of elements. You can move the items inside a group directly from the layer panel. At the top of the layer panel, you'll see foreground layers. These layers are pinned to show on all steps. When you right-click on an item and enable show on all steps, it will appear across every step. Even when you switch between them, the foreground layers stay fixed. If I right-click on this shape and enable the show on all steps, you'll see it in the foreground layers too, which means it's now visible on all steps. Next, we have this form in the pop-up. You can easily arrange its items from the Layers panel. Just click and hold to move it up and down. Another interesting thing about the layer panel is that you're able to change the texts directly from the layers panel. Just double-click on the text here and change it. You can also lock an element directly from here. Plus, clicking the three-dot icon opens the context menu, just like a right-click. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll explain the other features in future videos. Hope you get the most out of the new layer panel in your designs. Ciao!